Hi, I'm Niall Lyons. I am the Head of Road Asset Management with Co2 in Ireland, also known as Co2 Joint Venture. And we focus on term maintenance contracts. So these are maintenance contracts that are delivered over a longer term, such as motorway maintenance and renewals and other roadworks. So firstly to say is that we recognise that there is a need for sustainability, a need to meet the needs of today without compromising the needs of future generations to meet their needs. So we know that the transport sector, the sector that we're involved with, is going to play a crucial role in the Irish government achieving its carbon reduction targets in the future. And we in Co2, we want to be part of that solution. We want to be involved in developing and identifying the solutions. And what's more is that we want to be the leader in the market in developing these solutions. So our certification journey started in 2023. TAI brought out its first tender, which had the Carbon Performance Ladder as a sustainability criterion. And it was the Kildare Bypass project. So that was part of a pavement framework in which Co2 Joint Venture participated. Unfortunately, we weren't successful in that tender, but the exposure to the Carbon Performance Ladder, we learnt about it. We learnt about this new sustainability tool, which kind of acted as a catalyst for us as a company to decide, look, this is something that we're interested in and it's something that we want to pursue. In Co2 Joint Venture, we've always been motivated by sustainability. And when we became aware of the carbon performance tool, we thought this is an opportunity for us to, to demonstrate our intentions to our peers and to our clients. So the first area that we concentrated on was our transport fuel consumption. We had been aware from looking at our data that transport fuel was the area where we created the greatest amount of carbon emissions. So the first thing we done was we, after a period of investigation, we moved all our heavy goods vehicles from diesel to hydro-treated vegetable oil. Now, hydro-treated vegetable oil, the emissions are approximately 10% of that of a diesel combustion engine. You need to make sure that all your systems talk together. So if you were saying something in your processes and procedures in the Carbon Performance Ladder, it has to be tied into what you're saying in your other standards. So that was an important learning for us, that all the systems are very integrated and they must all talk very clearly to each other. We changed some of our organizational structure. We appointed a full-time sustainability champion to lead our sustainability initiatives. And I believe that this change, it really demonstrated our serious intentions in terms of sustainability.
CO2 Performance Ladder's 4 angles, they pushed us beyond our comfort zone. It was a demanding shift, but it's left us with evidence that's strong enough to stand up to the highest level of the audit.
I think the beauty and the strength of the Carbon Performance Ladder is that it is not a light touch accreditation. It takes a serious amount of effort and commitment to achieve the accreditation, which is good, which means it's a robust system, that it is going to help a company achieve its sustainability goals. I think the best place to start is to engage with the Irish Green Building Council and for SCOW, and maybe to reach out to the guys there and contact them. They're very helpful and were very supportive to us in helping us on our accreditation journey. We're all trying to find our way and learn our way. So the Carbon Performance Ladder is something new. So I think we're all learning it together, and we're all going to find our way together and find the correct path to reducing carbon emissions. And I think the Carbon Performance Ladder is going to form part of that.